Okay, I've been given loads and loads of how-tos here that I'm going to be trying to get on with. So the next one we're looking at is from our lovely Andrea here, who has come in with spaghetti legs. What's the spaghetti legs? How do you do it? Okay. Spaghetti legs we use in two different routines that we do. It's actually, spaghetti legs is just what I call it, so it's not something you can Google, but the move itself is all over YouTube. You can Google it. It's an African move. It's from a style of dance called dancehall style dance, okay? But a lot of the African styles do use this move. So what you need to do is imagine that you're a puppet. You've got a piece of string here on your head, and you're being lifted up and lowered through your body. I'll do it again sideways, up and lowered, using the piece of string. So you're being puppeted, okay? Now, what you're going to be doing with your spaghetti legs is you're going to be moving your spaghetti legs literally like you are a puppet. So you are Pinocchio right now, okay? So as the piece of string is coming up, your legs are coming up. As the piece of string is coming down, the legs are coming down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? So as your legs are coming up, you're rotating out. As your legs are coming down, you're rotating down. You can also use your ankles to do this as well if you react fast. You will need to react fast to use your ankles as well, otherwise you could damage them. Okay, so if you're just learning this move, don't bring the ankles in yet, but once you've got really used to the legs and moving your body up and down, bring the ankles in. Okay, so what it looks like is this. Yeah, we do it like this. Yeah, we do it like this. We do lots of different ways of doing this, but this is the spaghetti legs move. Yeah. Boing. From the side it looks like this. That's what it looks like. It's that simple. So all I'm doing is bring myself up and down like I'm a puppet. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you very much for all the how-tos. I'm going to be trying to get through them now as soon as I can. And I'll see you guys on the dance floor. Bye.